How can we ignore the increase in site loading speed when we take a look at the statistics and find that about 40% of visitors leave a site that takes more than 3 seconds to load? You might say to yourself that this is terrible and there's no way to have all the factors like the graphic design of the site and the content, SEO factors, and of course the speed all together. But no, it's not what you think it is. By following a series of rules and installing one of the best plugins to increase the speed of the WordPress site, this problem can be solved to a large extent, which I will teach in this video from NitroSEO. Before I go into details, I recommend that if it's your first time getting to know NitroSEO YouTube channel, subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications. Step 1. Measuring site loading speed. We talked about the loading speed between 2 to 5 seconds, but how can you find out the loading speed of a site? Well, there are many websites in this field that Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix are the best websites for estimating the loading speed of multiple sites. Step 2. You better know about WordPress cache. One of the tasks of WordPress site optimization plugins is to increase the advanced cache. But how familiar are you with the concept of cache? Cache is the hidden memory. But what is the meaning of hidden memory? This hidden memory stores information and data that will be used in the near future. 1. W3 Total Cache Plugin. The W3 TC plugin is one of the best WordPress website performance optimization frameworks with over 1 million active installs. W3 Total Cache plugin increases the efficiency of the website and reduces the loading time of the website, causing the user to see the content of your site more quickly and improves the SEO of the site. The functionality of this plugin is not one-dimensional. It is like a complete package that works on all the factors of speeding up the site and also uses the ability to use the CDN or the Content Delivery Network. One of the effective factors that increase the speed of the site is the CDN service. This service is very controversial. 2. WP Fastest Cache Plugin. WP Fastest Cache plugin is a good plugin to speed up WordPress site that more than 1 million people have installed this plugin so far. One thing you should know about this site speed increase plugin is that it has 2 versions, free and professional or premium. With the paid version, you can use the capabilities of mobile cache and widget, photo optimization, lazy loading, JS code optimization, and etc. But this is not a reason to stop downloading the free WP Fastest Cache plugin. Desktop cache, HTML code minify, and a combination of JavaScript and CSS are good features of the free version of this popular plugin. One of the advantages of this site speed increase plugin is easy installation. After installing the WP Fastest Cache plugin, you do not need to make any changes to the htaccess file because it will be done automatically. 3. Lightspeed Cache plugin for WordPress. One of the best plugins to speed up your WordPress website is Lightspeed Cache, if it is not the best one. This free and open source plugin with over 800,000 active installs is compatible with all popular plugins like Just SEO, WooCommerce, and bbPress and supports WordPress multi-site or network well. There are lots of plugins for improving the WordPress site, but Lightspeed Cache is one of the plugins that is all-in-one and it's a complete package. Lightspeed Cache, or LSCWP for short, uses server-level optimization and cache features. The secret to the Lightspeed Cache plugin's amazing impact on improving site performance is that the caching mechanism is located in the Lightspeed Cache web server itself, which eliminates the need for a reverse proxy layer. Now you may ask, what is a reverse proxy? A A reverse proxy is a type of proxy server, except that it receives user requests and resources from outside of the internal network and ultimately redirects them to one or more servers. Knowing this may not convince you to download the Lightspeed Cache plugin. If so, then get more acquainted with this plugin by the below summarization. 4. PageSpeed Ninja plugin. Well, the fourth plugin from the list of the best plugins to speed up the WordPress website that I am going to introduce you is PageSpeed Ninja. This plugin with more than 30,000 active installs is the result of years of work on optimizing the speed of over 200,000 websites on mobile. So it can be said that the team of this plugin is very experienced. This application plugin can not only speed the loading of your site in both desktop and mobile versions, but also can solve Google PageSpeed Insights problem with one click. Here, I want to give you a statistic about this plugin of speeding up your WordPress site. According to their own statistics, PageSpeed Ninja was able to increase the speed of 4 out of every 5 sites. But sometimes a site template incompatibility or a set of plugins with PageSpeed Ninja can cause some problems, especially due to caching or optimization operations. That's why this plugin may not be suitable for your site like other plugins. How do I know how much PageSpeed Ninja affects my site performance? By entering the pagespeed.ninja link and entering the URL of the desired site, you can easily know the function of the PageSpeed Ninja plugin before installing the plugin. The analysis process of this site takes more than 2 minutes. 5. Speed Booster Pack plugin. If your site loads with 3 seconds delay, it can discourage half of users from opening your site. If you're looking to install the best WordPress site speed increasing plugin for free, our 5th suggestion is the Speed Booster Pack plugin. Optimaca specializes in speed increasing services. These services are offered both for free and premium. The Speed Booster Pack plugin is a free version of the site speed increasing service. But don't worry, because the free version of this plugin meets your main needs. However, since the poor settings of the site itself cause slowdowns in the specialized and paid version, the settings of your site are examined and fixed professionally. In fact, the specialized services of this company were designed for comprehensive management of the site and server. One of the benefits of the Speed Booster Pack plugin is the easy plugin settings and optimization of WooCommerce. 6. Auto-Optimize. The Auto-Optimize plugin is not as good as the other 5 plugins that it introduced as the best plugin to increase the speed of the WordPress website because it is not very complete, but not too incomplete. It has a lot of fans and more than 1 million people have installed this plugin so far. The settings of the Auto-Optimize plugin are not complicated at all, and after activating it, you will have a few simple taps for optimizing JS, CSS, HTML codes, images, and more. 7. Asset Cleanup PageSpeed Booster plugin. We also just found the powerful Asset Cleanup plugin. Apparently, based on its features, it seemed to be one of the best plugins in improving the speed of the WordPress site. The developer of this plugin said that we have all the features of popular plugins such as WP Rocket, WP Fastest Cache, and W3 Total Cache. Also, one of the features of this plugin is compatibility with some CDNs like Cloudflare. 8. WP Super Cache. WP Super Cache is available for free to increase the loading speed of the WordPress site with its amazing caching service. WP Super Cache plugin is not a complete package like items 1 to 5, but it works professionally on site caching. As we said, substantial caching is one of the factors that reduce site load time. The working principle of Super Cache is that it removes the static HTML file of the site, and as a result, your web server provides the HTML file every time instead of heavy PHP scripts. Each cached HTML file can be displayed hundreds of times to site visitors. Note: Using compression has a positive effect on the speed and response time of the site. Fortunately, the WP Super Cache plugin has this feature, but this feature is not enabled on default. So remember to activate the compress option after installing this plugin. The interesting thing you should know about this plugin is that the developer of this plugin is WordPress itself, Automatic Company. 9. BJ Lazy Load. Lazy loading undoubtedly has a positive effect on high-traffic sites. BJ Lazy Load is a popular plugin in this field, with more than 90,000 active installations. This WordPress site loading time decrease plugin replaces all images and page content with a placeholder, and as soon as the user approaches the part of the page that is off-screen, the content is loaded, and as a result, the site bandwidth is greatly freed. After installing and activating the BJ Lazy Load plugin, go to the Counter Settings section and select BJ Lazy Load. 10. WP Smush It. The use of images in the content is extremely attractive to the user, but what if the size of the photos slows down the site? You know very well that low speed is neither pleasant for the user nor for the search engines. Suppose you're going to teach how to install an application in a post and you have to use a lot of screenshots and images. Normally, their size is not small, and on the other hand, you do not want to get a negative score from the search engine due to the high size of the photos. What is the solution? Image optimization. Image optimization is one of the most important factors in increasing the speed of the site, and some software and plugins do this well. Image optimization is not just about quality loss. The purpose is to reduce the size of image without compromising its visual quality. WP Smush It plugin with more than 1 million active installation is a specialized plugin in this field of optimizing and compressing site images. It does not matter what theme or page layout you use to manage your WordPress media library because WP Smush It is compatible with all of them. This service is provided by Yahoo and automatically performs optimization after uploading each image.